Today we'll be taking a look at the TP-Link AC600 Wi-Fi wireless network USB adapter. This device is designed to provide a high-speed connection for your desktop computer. It's compatible with both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, and it features an easy-to-use setup process. So let's get started. First, we'll unbox the device and take a look at all the included components. The AC600 comes with a USB adapter, a detachable antenna, a driver CD, and a quick installation guide. Everything you need to get started is included in the box. Once you have everything unboxed, you can plug the adapter into an available USB port on your computer. Then, you'll need to install the included driver software. This is a quick and easy process, and once it's complete, this 5 dBi high-gain external antenna. This simple upgrade will help to increase the range of your Wi-Fi signal, giving you better coverage in your home or office. The TP-Link AC600 is a good Wi-Fi adapter for Kali Linux, and it works really well. It also supports monitor mode and packet injection. This makes it a good choice for Wi-Fi hacking. Overall, the TP-Link AC600 wireless adapter is a good choice for those who are looking for an affordable and easy-to-use adapter. It has a good range and is generally compatible with the most computer. A short compare between TP-Link AC600 wireless adapter with other cheap USB nano adapter to 0.4 GHz. TP-Link AC600 is 5 GHz ready for the most 5G networks and also connects to the GeoFiber 5G or 4G network. It is also compatible with the 800 2.11 AC standard and backward compatible with 800 2.11b, G, and standards. The data transfer rate of TP-Link AC600 is up to 600 megabits per second, which is 3 times faster than the previous 800 2.11 and standard. This is a great little device that can help to increase range Wi-Fi signal of your wireless network. I bought this TP-Link AC600 because to increased range of my GeoFiber network, my GeoFiber router is sitting in next room, so with my previous nano adapter can't reach. Found helpful. As always, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.